Look, Max, this forest is so beautiful.
Wow, Anna, it looks magical.
Magical? What does that mean?
Magical means enchant of wonder.
I feel excited. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's follow the soft moss path.
The path is so green and soft.
It feels nice under my feet.
Look, the trees are glowing.
Yes, this forest is enchanted.
Enchanted, magical. I like it.
The glowing trees make me feel safe. Look at that tree. Its leaves are shining.
They are so bright.
These leaves are luminous.
Luminous?
It means shining with beautiful light.
I want to touch one. It feels warm.
The forest looks even more beautiful now.
I love the glowing leaves.
Me too, Anna.
Learning English in a magical forest is fun.
Yes, every word is like magic.
Max, do you hear the wind?
Yes, it's soft.
It sounds like someone is whispering.
This is a whispering wind. Whispering, speaking softly.
The wind feels like the forest is talking. I feel calm listening to it.
Me too.
The forest is alive.
Yes, it's full of magic.
I like this whispering sound.
It guides us on our path. Look, a small stream.
The water is so clear.
Sunlight makes the water sparkle.
It's glimmering.
Glimmering means shining with faint light.
Wow, tiny diamonds on water.
I want to sit and watch. Me too. It's relaxing.
The glimmering stream is beautiful.
Yes, Anna, just like magic.
I love learning words this way.
Every word is a little treasure.
Wow, this stone is huge.
It looks very old. This stone is ancient. It has been here for hundreds of years.
Incredible!
Ancient means very, very old.
I can feel its wisdom. I wonder what stories it knows.
So many, I'm sure. This stone feels strong,
like a guardian of the forest. I'm glad we saw it.
Let's continue our adventure.
This place is magical.
I've learned so many words.
This pond is tranquil.
Tranquil means calm. The fish aren't afraid.
Nature feels peaceful here.
I feel relaxed.
This is the heart of the forest.
Luminous, whispering, glimmering,
and ancient and tranquil.
I love the luminous leaves.
And the whispering wind too.
The stream is glimmering.
Tiny diamonds dancing on water.
This place is magical.
I've learned so many words.
Time to go home?
Yes, but I'll miss this place.
Goodbye, magical forest. See you next time. Bye, glowing leaves.
Thank you for lighting our path.
Goodbye, whispering wind. We'll come back soon. Glimmering water, goodbye.
Ancient stone, we'll miss you.
I feel happy we visited.
I've learned so much today.
Learning English can be fun.
Every word is a treasure. Remember, enchanted means magical.
I'll never forget.
Luminous means shining brightly.
Like these leaves.
Whispering means speaking softly.
Like the wind here. Glimmering water sparkles.
Tiny diamonds on the surface. Ancient means very old.
It feels wise.
Tranquil means calm.
Like this pond. I remember all the words now.
Great job, Anna.
The leaves are luminous. Exactly.
This pond is tranquil.
I feel calm. Time to leave.
But I'll come back.
Goodbye, magical forest.
We'll visit again.
Learning English is fun. Every day we learn something new. Bye, magical forest. See you next time. Today was amazing.
I'll never forget it.
Goodbye, enchanted forest. Until next time.